Hey Andrew, I hope you are doing well. So here is your script. I felt you was worried about your uh, that how we download your bulk images with these custom names. So these are the URLs that you provide me, and these are your custom names. I am doing now for Dubai. I done for Al Ain, Ajman, and Abu Dhabi. And here are 509 I scrapped. Now I'm going to run again the script. Just look at this: 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So in this way I'm doing your project. So don't be worried, I'm here for you. Just relax please. Thank you so much.